everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourself. So welcome back to Learn Forward to Hi Kids, where the cap. I'm back with another chapter for you, and I'm sure that today's chapter you will enjoy with me. And the chapter is Places in My Neighborhood. Do you know what is a neighborhood? Neighborhood, that is that where you live in your home. So places nearby around your home, your house are called neighborhood. Okay, जो places आपके घर के आसपास होती हैं उन्हें हम बोलते हैं neighborhood. Now I will tell you what are those places. कौन कौन सी वो places होती हैं. Okay, let's start our today's class. Okay, so there are many places which are near to our house and which are very useful to us, जो हमारे बहुत काम आती हैं. ठीक है, जैसे कि कौन कौन सी होती है. First is bank. So bank is very useful to us. हम बैंक से क्या करते हैं, हम मनी विड्रॉल करते हैं, सेविंग्स करते हैं. So bank is very useful to us and bank is also there near to our house. हमारे घर के पास क्या होता है, बैंक होता है. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज पोस्ट ऑफिस. पोस्ट ऑफिस इज ऑल्सो देयर. व्हाट इज पोस्ट ऑफिस? when we post some letters so that letter can reach to our relatives. Okay, हमें जब कोई लेटर पोस्ट करना होता है we give it to the post office. Okay, next is hospital. This is very important बच्चे, because whenever we fall sick, whenever we get injured, so where we go to the doctor. And where is the doctor? In the hospital. Okay, so hospital is also very important in our life. Okay, next is shopping mall. We all love to go shopping mall, right? So shopping mall is also near to our house. Okay, it is also called places in neighborhood. In shopping mall we go for shopping. We purchase many things from shopping mall. We purchase many clothes, footwear, toys, games, and everything is available in the shopping mall. Okay, next is railway station. So when we travel in the train, हम ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करते हैं, where we go to the railway station, because ट्रेन कहाँ आती है, रेलवे स्टेशन पे आती है. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज बस स्टेशन. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू ट्रैवल इन द बस, अगर आपको बस में ट्रैवल करना है, सो वेयर यू विल गो टू द बस स्टेशन. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज पार्क. Everyone loves to go to the park in the evening, right? In the evening, we go to the park to play with our friends, and then we do swinging also, right? There are many swing slides in the park and we love to ride on them, right? So it's park. It is also near to our house. Next is museum. Have you all seen a museum? I'm sure not everyone has seen a museum. So museum is a place where ancient things are kept. जहाँ बहुत साल पुरानी चीजें रखी जाती हैं. That is called museum. Okay, in museum you're not allowed to touch those things. बस आपको देखना होता है. Okay, next is police station. Now पुलिस स्टेशन में कौन होता है? पुलिस, कॉप्स होते हैं. ठीक है, एंड व्हाट दे डू, वो क्या करते हैं, तो थीव्स को पकड़ते हैं, है ना, तो चोरों को पकड़ते हैं. सो एंड वो कहाँ रखते हैं, उन्हें पुलिस स्टेशन में रखते हैं. ठीक है, so this is police station. Next is petrol pump. It is also very important, because if you want to travel in scooty or by a car, you need petrol for that, because car runs through petrol. अगर कार में पेट्रोल ही नहीं होगा तो वो ड्राइव हम नहीं कर पाएंगे ना उसको. सो पेट्रोल पंप इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. नेक्स्ट इज बीच. सो बीच इज नॉट देयर near everyone's house, but in some houses beach are there to their house. Okay, beach are there. So this is beach, and everyone is enjoying in the water. See, this kids are playing and eating and enjoying and making a castle to the sands. So everyone is enjoying at the beach. So this is beach. Next is zoo. This is zoo. Have you all seen a zoo? In zoo, there are different types of animals like elephant, giraffe, tiger, lion, bear. So monkeys. There are many types of animals in the zoo. So these are all the things which are near to our house. It's called places in my neighborhood. Okay, and these all things are very important because these all things are very useful to us. Okay. Okay, next is this activity. Look at the pictures and match them with the objects where they found. It's a picture of a park. So we will find the picture that we find in the park. We find in the park, yes, the seesaw. Seesaw is in the park. We will match this like this. Next is the picture of a hospital. Now tell me, what you see in the hospital? Yes, a bed like this. Next is petrol pump. What do you see in the petrol pump? Yes, we see petrol. Okay. Next is this shopping mall. What do we see in the shopping mall? Yes, a shopping cart. So match this. Last is what? The beach. On the beach, we see this tube. Okay. So match like this. And we have done this activity. So that's it for today. In today's class, we have learned about places in my neighborhood. There are different types of places in your neighborhood. Okay, don't forget that and keep practicing. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.